Hello friends, this is Mahesh. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see basic CATIA V5 tools in mechanical design prod model. Let us start. So this is the CATIA window. From this, go to Start menu. That will be the mechanical design and go to part design. Just place the mouse pointer on mechanical design. It will open the part. These options. Click it. Immediately one pop-up window will open up. There you have option to change the name of the part model. You can type according to your requirement. I just leave out part 1. Just I click the OK. So this is the CATIA window. Here the two parts I will tell you where which are the importance. So this is the one part and this is specific tree. This is called specification 3. I mean everything will what are the options, what are the works, what are the activities you're doing, it will created here. I will show you how how it will be. So first let's see, here the three planes will be there. So xy, yz and zx. The planes name will be like this. If you click the plane, it will highlight in design area. See, it is highlighting. So I don't want to show this line. Go to right click the hide also. If you click the hide, it will hide. I just want to show it again. Go to there and click the show. Just right click it, the options will come. I just want that only plane have to zoom at my screen. I just go to this one, reframe on. So it won't come because it is there at zoom level. So center graph, this is used. I just want to see where it is plane is there in specification tree. Go to central graph. So it will show where it is. So I will show that options in a sketch mode. You people will understand. So let's start with creating a sketch. So for sketch, you need to click this option. See this icon. Just place your mouse point, it will show sketch. So before creating a sketch, you need a plane. Without plane, you can't create a sketch. So I'm going to select this YZ plane. According to your requirement, you people can change the axis. So I will see the window. This is the YZ plane. This YZ plane. The plane itself got zoomed in your screen. So in this you can observe there is no axis lines. So I need to create an axis line for this. Then only you can identify the sketch. I will show you how it is. So go to this option. There it is will be axis. Click it one time. Go to the middle and click first left click. Select and drag and make it parallel. So see the color. If it is an incline, it is white. If it is parallel, the color is changed. Click it. So you observe only one line it came. If I want multi lines, double click the option. By using the double click, you can draw how many lines you want. So can you easily observe that. So I don't want this option. So by clicking double escape, the axis option is gone off. So I'm going to draw some circle and just click the circle option and click in middle and I draw it. So if you see the color of the sketch is white, so it is under constraint. It is not constrained. I didn't give any dimension to that. So for that I need to constrain this. So go to constraint option and click it and click this circle. It got constrained. So I given some dimension. Let it be 60. If you double click that dimension, the editing window will pop out. You can type here dimension 60. So according to that it will change. So I drawn my sketch After trying this, just click the exit workbench. So it will exit from workbench, sketch workbench. So look this sketch. It is on the option which I click, the plane which I click, it is parallel to that plane. So I just want to create this 2D into 3D. So as I said before at starting of the video, I mean the activities which you going to create some sketch, it is come under this specification tree. So sketch, it came under this. I also showed some options, center graph and reframe on. I will show you what is the use of this now. So just click the reframe on. It will the sketch will zoom out in your window. If you want to see where the sketch in specification tree, click the sketch, right click, center graph. It will show that. See, it will show it shown something. If you click also, it will highlight. But in large assemblies, you can't see where it is highlighting. So after that, if you see this symbol, you people can surprised. What is this? This is updation symbol. So click it. It will update. Whenever you do some activity, I mean you editing the sketch. After clicking that update option only, it will update. If you're changing 16 to 100, the 100 will change after clicking this. So this is the pad option. Just click it. This is the option we can create into 3D. I mean it will be pad. I will say what is the pad. The options will be there in type, length, and like options are there, we can control it. So type in dimension I am going to give. There are another options also there according to your requirement. Up to next, I mean one other feature is there. I need to connect this sketch into the 3D model. So I can give the next, up to last, up to plane. I need to create this this plane sketch, another plane sketch I need to connect, and this up to plane will come, up to surface. So according to that, the option will work out. So I'm going to do dimension. So by using dimension, you can give pad length. So click the sketch. It will show like this. So I need this sketch have to be reversely projected. Just click the reverse direction. According to the requirement, you can click it. So I just want to preview. I mean without clicking OK, I just want to see how the pad it came. By clicking the options, I can click the preview. After clicking OK only, it will confirm. So now I created one pad. Like this, we can sketch and we can create some pads. So as of now, this is the basic video of the CATIA. Just see my next videos. I will show what is the sketch mode, and then I will show what is the dress up tools, and how are the what are the options are there, and how can we create some pads in different way, and some holes, some creating some chamfers, and everything I will show in upcoming videos. Thank you, and please subscribe and comment, like. If you want to see anything additional to this video, just comment it. I will shoot it. I will definitely guide you guys. Thank you.